Hi, I'm Sydney, founder of NixCode. We are a no-code app development startup who has a goal of getting non-technical founders from MVP to IPO. So 78% of tech startups are either building, leveraging, or supplementing their product or service with a mobile application. And because going the traditional route is a complete hurdle with full tech stacks and working with developers, it can become a barrier to entry. It can cause complete chaos and be a huge financial burden. So startups are turning to rapid app development as it is on the rise, and by 2025 will be a $95 billion market. Today, we're focused on the $61 billion market as it grows to near $100 billion opportunity in the future. We do this through our no-code platform, and amongst the industry, we stand out by being more than just an app builder. We actually build startups without code. We allow people to build apps from MVP and scale all the way to IPO without ever having to leave our platform and be able to build intellectual property. We are able to support them in their growth by allowing them to build apps without code using something called plugins. They can use preset plugins that we have built on our own, or they can use simple languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the same things you used to build your MySpace page back in the day, to create simple short codes to fix in anything that they want their app to do. One of the great things that most startups love is that beyond an app, you're already operating and doing things with your marketing, sales, product development, operations team, where you don't need to recreate the wheel or add more finances to your tech stack. Our software integrates with things from design, automation, operations, and marketing and analytics. So the same tools you use in your everyday business, you can also use in our software to manage your app without any additional product tools or cost. We're allowing startups to scale because we allow them full control around the content, around their structure, around their design, around the analytics, around the user behavior, so that they can make informed decisions from lessons they've learned and control the app user experience on feedback that they get from their clients. Our platform has 56,000 users, of which 70% are women and 80% are people of color. People choose us to build their tech startups because we are diversity and inclusion focused. Why does this matter? Because other app platforms do not consider that most people are building apps for people of color audiences, which means when I want to build a product to find beauty care, I need to consider databases who have Black-owned products. If I'm creating imagery in my app, I want things that represent my audience in stock photography. And we know illustrations in stock photography are hard to find for people of color. And then there's also augmented reality and artificial intelligence. I need you to be able to recognize dark skin. I need you to be able to identify structures for things that may not be standard for facial recognition. So founders choose us so that they can better serve their end users. To date, we launched in April 2020 with an email to about 105 people and grown to over 56,000 users with over 300,000 earned in revenue sales, and currently work at an ARR of 108,000, growing 8x year over year and accelerating with 106 paying customers. Our customers are either building apps themselves on our platform, or they're hiring us to build apps for them, or we have businesses and organizations who actually license our entire infrastructure to run their programs, companies, or schools. We are in the process of seeking investment, and with that, we have three critical levers that enable us for growth to reach 6 million ARR by the end of this year and 15 million ARR by the end of next year. And that is going from a 3 to 10% conversion, growing our users by 71%, and expanding the team to support that user growth. We are eager to bring equity to tech, and we want your support to help us take the next startup from MVP to IPO without any code. Thank you.